Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. Before beginning any automotive repair, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal first to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Gather all your tools, such as a 19mm socket for the tensioner, 14 and 12mm sockets for the alternator bolts, and a torque wrench. Make sure your vehicle is safely elevated and stable on jack stands or a lift. Next, we'll remove the old alternator. Use a serpentine belt tensioner tool, typically with a 19mm socket, to release the tension and carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Then, disconnect the main power cable, usually secured by a 12mm nut, and unclip the electrical harness. Finally, remove the alternator's mounting bolts, often a 14mm bolt on top and a 12mm bolt on the bottom, to detach it from its bracket. Now, let's install the new alternator. Carefully guide the new unit into its mounting position. Reinsert and hand tighten the mounting bolts. Use a torque wrench to tighten these bolts to 30 foot-pounds, which is 41 Newton-meters, ensuring a secure fit. Reconnect the main power cable, tightening its nut to 8 foot-pounds or 11 Newton-meters, and firmly attach the electrical harness until it clicks into place. For the final steps, carefully route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, then slowly release the tensioner. Reconnect your battery, starting with the positive terminal, then the negative. Start the vehicle and check your dashboard for any warning lights. Use a voltmeter to confirm the new alternator is charging properly, ideally showing 13 volts or above across the battery terminals with the engine running.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.